This 4-ingredient chocolate mousse dessert is a creamy, dreamy, cheesecake tasting sweet that comes together really quickly and easily and has only 4 ingredients. And those 4 ingredients are cream cheese for the cream cheese flavor. We've got cocoa powder. I'm using stevia, but you could use sugar or your sweetness of choice. And I've got fresh cream there. Just make sure you're using heavy whipping double. Any cream that you can whip into whipped cream, that is what you want to use. Okay, we've got a bowl and we're going to pop a cup of cream into the bowl. And now I'm going to use electric beaters and I'm going to whisk up cream until it's just starting to thicken. There we go. Can you see it's just starting to thicken? It's going to get much thicker still, but we want to add our cocoa and our stevia in now. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of our stevia. You can add more to taste depending how sweet you want it. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons of our cocoa powder. Softened cream cheese going in. And we'll just give the sides a little scrape down just to make sure we get everything incorporated in. And 1 final little whisk. And it's done. Look at that chocolate mousse. It's so creamy and just amazing. I'm just going to move it off into a bowl and it's done. And you can pop it, oh, look at that. So yum. You can pop it into the fridge if you want to for an hour or so to thicken and to just chill up, but you've got just a beautiful chocolate mousse, which as you saw, it took no time at all to prepare. It's so easy, so yum. Tastes kind of like a chocolate cheesecake, but with only 4 ingredients. Thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know other desserts you'd like me to share. So thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.